Good morning and welcome to our gentle morning yoga. Let's begin in child's pose, arms reaching forward. Gently press through your hands now, deepening the stretch in your arms, your shoulders. Come into tabletop and flow through your cat-cows. Inhale to arch, drop the belly, gently lift your gaze. And exhale around, gazing down. A couple more. Return to neutral and step your right toes back, shifting forward and backwards to find a stretch in the back of your right leg. Lift your right leg up for a balance, hold. Cross your right leg over to the left, toes come down as you bring your left shoulder and left hip closer together to stretch into the right side of your body. Back to center, right knee meets the left, and other side. Step your left toes out, shifting forward and back. Lift your left leg up, strong core. And cross it over to the right to find length in your left side. Return to center and lift up to downward facing dog. Simply hold it here or add some movement, up to you. Forward fold, walk to the top of your mat and keep a soft bend in your knees. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, step your right foot back, grounded low lunge. Drop your back knee and tuck your toes, your hands stay down. Feel free to add a gentle rock here, moving intuitively. Tuck your back toes, lift the back knee, and step forward again, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, left foot back for grounded low lunge. Tuck your toes, lift your back knee up. And downward dog, step your right foot back. Tabletop, drop your knees. Inhale your right arm up. And exhale, thread the needle, right arm over to the left. Reach your left arm forward if that feels good, and option to come onto your left fingertips. To release, reach your right arm up again and place it down. Other side. Inhale your left arm up and exhale, thread the needle. Release, left arm reaches up. Exhale down and sit back to child's pose. Come to a seat, and for half butterfly, extend your right leg long. Reach your left arm over to the right for a side stretch. Gentle twist, turn to the left, so towards your bent knee, your right hand rests on your left knee, gaze drifts to the left. Unwind and switch sides. Extend your left leg and side stretch. Right arm reaches over to the left. Gentle twist to the right, left hand to right knee. Return to center, cross your legs. Maybe close your eyes and take this moment to think of one thing that you're grateful for today. To close our practice, unite your palms and gently bow down, thanking yourself for choosing to start your day with mindful movement. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a lovely day. Bye.